While mainstream media is busy discussing and making the viral melody memes and debating whether the Prime Minister foreign trips are necessary, India silently pulled off a massive deal, a tech heist in Netherlands. Everybody is talking about the politics, but nobody is talking about a deal with this technology giant, ASML. It is a Dutch giant company. They hold monopoly, 100% monopoly into the machines that prints blue chips and microchips. They guarded their technology from selling it and they banned China literally. The Western world knows China copies and then re-engineers that. So they deliberately blocks the China but opens the gate for India. But before you get excited here, let me tell you the fact. Tata Electronics is not going to get their new technology. They are going to get an access to the legacy and the old technology. But before you get disappointed or feel this is a downgrade, wait, don't get disappointed. This is a master stroke by the government of India. Let me explain you how. The entire world currently relies on 90% of the electronics and consume 90% of the electronics that requires legacy microchips, not the new and the fancy ones. Your mobile, your laptop, your devices, your car, and not only that, but also medical equipments, defense equipments, they all require rigid, reliable semiconductor chips. And that is something going to manufacture by the Tata Electronics into their first manufacturing plant, into the Dholera in Gujarat. This will become the world supply for the semiconductor chips. When next time there will be a shortage of chips, the world will look at India for the solution. We are going to make that into the India. Why the foreign trips are necessary? The question comes to the mind. Why still the foreign trips are necessary? Remember, the superpower doesn't sit in the closed room. It becomes superpower by traveling and doing the diplomacy. The result of this diplomacy and the visit is very clear. They signed a brain bridge agreement. It is going to connect the elite Netherlands universities. Those are superpowers into the semiconductor knowledge. They are connecting them with our minds at IISc Bangalore, IIT Mumbai and IIT Delhi. This collaboration will bring a lot of research in the future. The research will convert into the innovation and benefits both the countries. We are on the track. Let me know what your thoughts are. Do you think India will become the superpower into the semiconductor and do break this monopoly of semiconductor machinery? Let me know your thoughts. Because exactly what 2 nanometers to 110 nanometers, 28 nanometers to 120 nanometers range, we need it. We don't need that fancy 2 nanometer range, which requires for supercomputers. So what we need, what entire world need, is a reliable, stable semiconductor chips. Let me know what you think about this in the comment box. But also, like, share and subscribe. If you think India is going to succeed and make its fortune in this, write in the comment fortune. And if you disagree, make sure you dislike the button. Also, do not forget to subscribe my channel.